Tactile sensor arrays output complicated multidimensional signals when interacting with the environment. Therefore, it is important to have an easy way to visualize and interpret these signals. This paper shows that a linear dimension reduction technique, namely principal component analysis or PCA, can be used to visualize systematically collected data from 4 different tactile sensors. These are detective V2 and detective V1, which are optical tactile sensors, the ICRA fingertip, which is a capacitive tactile sensor, and the biotect whiskers. During the experiment, the sensor tapped or whisked, in the case of the biotect whiskers, the stimuli at different positions. For the detective V2 experiment, the orientation of the sensor was varied, whilst for the rest, differently sized cylinders were used in the experiment. This is what detective V2 raw data looks like. Here you can see the pixel deflections of each pin in the X direction, whereas the sensor is tapping the stimulus edge and varying its orientation. Due to the large amount of signals, it is difficult to spot the difference between the different sensor orientations. Using PCA on each recorded tap during the experiment, the following manifold is obtained. The data for each tap is visualized as a single point on the manifold. Points collected at the same location form a ring, made of points representing different sensor orientations. Therefore, the orientation of the sensor is easily visualized by looking at the angle of the points in the second and third principal component plane. Additionally, at no contact, all points converge since they are indistinguishable. Considering sensor location now, you can see that each ring represents a different position and that rings get closer together when the sensor is fully in contact with the stimulus surface, as depicted by the red region on the manifold. 3D visualization plots are also obtained for the other sensors and will be discussed further during the poster session. Concluding, this paper showed that PCA can be used to visualize the sensor interactions with the environment. A sensitivity measure is also derived from this low-dimensional manifold, which can be used to aid visualization and also clearly show which are the best locations for perception, which is useful for active touch and other control policies. The structure uncovered by the PCA visualization can be used to aid inference and help obtain robust interaction with the environment using touch. If you want to know more, please come to see my poster. Thank you for your attention.